Hello everyone, this is part 3 of ASP.NET series lectures. Today we'll learn how we can transfer the data from Textbox to database. So in this lecture, we can easily transfer data from text boxes to, we can add and draw multiple text boxes in the page, and then we can transfer data to the database. And today we'll also learn how we can create the database. Let's get started. First, I'll show you the demo. Enter name, RIZWAN, enter address, UE, data save. So where is data save? Data is saved into the database tables. So we can also check the database tables. So here is a one table, show table data. So you can see here the name and address. Now we'll design a new page. Add new item. Give any name to this page. Save data to database. Make sure there will be no any space in the page title. So we can split into the half of the window. Just mention the name, any name of the project. Transfer data from Textbox to database. Transfer data from Textbox to database. So I will also give the name here. Aziz and RIZWAN Learning Hub. So you can push this text to the middle. Style equal text align column center. So okay, so we'll create another div. Draw a table, 2 rows, 2 columns. We can increase the number of rows by using the tab option. Here I will give the first text box name as enter name, and then address. We can use the toolbox. Add a text box. Resize the text box according to your requirement. Text box 1. Text box 2. There are 2 text boxes, and then add the label where we can show the message. Go to the properties of label, empty the text property, then again draw a button. If you double click, any tool can be drawn onto the page, like checkbox. Checkbox is drawn after double clicking onto the tool. Okay, so change the text box property, button property, text property to as save data, or click to save. Any option you can give here. Click to save. Okay, now page design is completed. We can view in a browser. transfer data from text box to database, enter name, address, and then click to save. Right now we'll add this option to the database. I already created the database, so I will add another table. In the next video I will show you how we can create the database. Add a new table. So I can give here a name, std underscore name. Make sure there will be no space between these two words. Std underscore name. So there should be a underscore, or you can use the brackets. The next column is address. Change the data type to varchar 50, varchar 50. Then we can change the identity to yes, identity yes. So our auto number will be generated for this table. Then update this table, cancel. Again we will change the table name to tbl underscore save data. Now update the table, update database. So here you can see the database table is created. So we can refresh the database. Here you can see with two columns. The first column is ID, auto number column. We have given the identity yes, student name and address. Our database table is created. Now I am using the a database model for database saving the data. So I will update the model. In the next upcoming lectures, next series, we'll learn how we can transfer data by using different options instead of using the models. So delete, update data model from database. Okay, at the end of this video I will also show you how we can add the data model. Save. So you can see here the two tables are saved. Before I have done save data, the other is tbl save data. So I will close this tab. Now double click onto this button. Event handler of the button is generated. We can split this window into half. Now we'll type the code. I already done this code, but I will do myself so that you can easily understand. Database entities, db, make the object for this transferring data to the database. db equal new database entities. Then we can use the table reference name tbl save data, that is the table is just created. tbl save data s equal new tbl, then s dot, whatever the columns names will be there in the table, all column names will be appear here. S dot student name equal. So this will get the data from Textbox 1, where we have given the title for this as enter name. So Textbox 1 dot text, then s dot address equal textbox 2 dot text db dot tbl save data dot add which object. The object we have just created is s. db dot save changes. So whatever the changes are there will be saved, and now we want to empty the text boxes. String dot empty text box 1. After the transferring data, the first text box will be clear, second text box also will be empty after transferring data to the database, and one option for the label. So when the data will be transferred, a message will be displayed as data is safe. Save data. I can highlight the code. Alright. So we in browser again. Enter name RIZWAN, address UAE Ajman. Click to save data. I can change the color of this message. Go to the label properties, for color we have changed to red. Again view in browser, again M Hadi, address UAE, so you can check the data is saved. So we can change the message to save data or data save. Data save. Okay, so we can use the option show table data. So two names, RIZWAN and M Hadi, are saved into the database table. Alright guys, the code will be available on the drive and also available in the description link of the YouTube video. So please download and try. If you have any question, you can just write an email to me at abdulbasit@lm80@gmail.com. Thanks for listening. Have a good day. Bye.